Colorado claims
The Colorado Mountain Pass.
today people around Colorado are Colorado's 14er.
Nestled in the western United States, Colorado is a state renowned for its breathtaking mountains, dramatic canyons, and pristine forests. With an area spanning over 269,000 square kilometers, Colorado is home to some of the most awe-inspiring natural features in the country, from the towering Rocky Mountains to the expansive plains and ancient deserts. This unique land offers not only scenic beauty, but also a rich history of geological formations and natural wonders that continue to captivate adventurers and scientists alike. Have you ever wondered how much of Colorado's wilderness remains unexplored, waiting to be discovered? Imagine the hidden valleys, towering cliffs, and rugged wilderness areas teeming with secrets that could reshape our ancient worlds, unique ecosystems, and undiscovered natural marvels that beckon to explorers. Colorado is a land of pioneering spirit, rugged landscapes, and hidden mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Join us on an extraordinary journey across Colorado's hidden frontiers, where every corner reveals a new aspect of the land's complex past and exciting present. Let's dive into the wonders of Colorado's wilderness. The Rocky Mountains, Colorado's towering giants. The Rocky Mountains are perhaps Colorado's most iconic natural feature, rising dramatically across the state's landscape and offering unparalleled beauty. This majestic range, stretching from Canada to New Mexico, carves its way through Colorado with snow-capped peaks, alpine meadows, and glacial valleys. Rocky Mountain National Park, with its diverse ecosystems, is a haven for hikers, wildlife enthusiasts, and scientists alike. Its varied landscapes support animals like elk, black bears, mountain lions, and bighorn sheep, each playing a role in the region's complex ecosystem. In addition to its wildlife, the Rockies boast a variety of plant life, from alpine tundra and wildflower fields to dense pine and spruce forests. These ecosystems not only offer breathtaking views, but also serve as a crucial source of fresh water, with rivers like the Colorado River beginning in these mountains. Snowmelt from the Rockies supplies water to much of the southwestern United States, underscoring the mountain's environmental significance. The Rocky Mountains also reveal insights into Colorado's geological past, shaped by tectonic forces, volcanic activity, and glaciers over millions of years. The range emerged during the Laramide orogeny around 70 million years ago, as tectonic plates collided and forced the Earth's crust upward. Evidence of this ancient activity can still be found in exposed rock layers, rich in fossils from long-extinct marine creatures, indicating that Colorado was once covered by a shallow sea. Glaciers also played a major role in shaping the Rockies, carving out deep valleys and leaving behind glacial lakes. Some remnants of these glaciers, though small, can still be found in high-altitude regions today. What other secrets could be hidden among Colorado's towering giants, waiting to be unearthed? Perhaps there are more fossils, mineral deposits, or even undiscovered plant species offering glimpses into a distant past and insights for a changing future. The mysterious caves of Colorado. Hidden beneath Colorado's rugged mountains and rolling hills lie extensive cave systems that are still largely unexplored. The Great Basin region, for example, houses some of the most fascinating underground wonders, including the Cave of the Winds and the Glenwood Caverns. These caverns contain stunning formations like stalactites, stalagmites, and rare crystal formations that tell a story of ancient underground worlds. In these subterranean landscapes, fossils, mineral deposits, and signs of early human activity offer glimpses into Colorado's distant past. Yet many areas remain untouched, their mysteries preserved in the depths. What other secrets could these hidden caves reveal about Colorado's geological and prehistoric history? Colorado's red rocks and fossil discoveries. Colorado's famous red sandstone formations, particularly in places like Red Rocks Park and Garden of the Gods, are geological wonders and time capsules of Earth's dynamic history. These rock formations, shaped over 300 million years, bear witness to multiple environmental shifts as Colorado transformed from shallow seas to swampy plains and eventually to deserts. Each layer reveals clues about the planet's ancient past. The red hues come from iron oxide, which bonded with the sandstone over millennia. The distinct red, pink, and white bands in the rock tell a story of sediment deposits in varied environments, preserved like pages in a book. The formation process, from seas to deserts. Around 300 million years ago, Colorado was covered by a shallow inland sea. As this sea receded, layers of sediment remained. Tectonic forces lifted and folded these layers, forming the towering structures we see today. Combined with erosion, they created the rugged shapes of places like Red Rocks. The formations are part of the Rocky Mountain uplift, or the Laramide orogeny, which began around 70 million years ago. This geological event pushed and folded the Earth's crust, exposing ancient rock layers and sculpting cliffs, spires, and arches. Fossil discoveries, traces of ancient life. Embedded within Colorado's red sandstone are fossilized remains that offer glimpses into ancient ecosystems. In areas like Garden of the Gods and Morrison Formation near Dinosaur Ridge, paleontologists have unearthed fossils of early dinosaurs, marine life, and plants dating back over 150 million years. These fossils reveal a world once teeming with diverse species. Plant fossils, like ancient ferns and conifers, indicate that the area hosted lush vegetation, supporting entire ecosystems. These fossils help researchers understand how life evolved and adapted to Colorado's shifting climates. Ancient clues to climate and ecosystem changes. These formations also act as climate records, holding evidence of Colorado's history of changing climates. Certain rock layers contain minerals like gypsum and halite, suggesting desert-like conditions, while other layers rich in shale and limestone point to lakes or swamps. Combined with fossil data, this climate evidence allows scientists to reconstruct Colorado's ancient ecosystems. Fossilized pollen grains reveal dominant plant species, providing further insight into interactions between plant and animal life. The quest for discovery, what lies hidden? Colorado's red rocks continue to yield discoveries as geologists and paleontologists explore their depths. Techniques like isotope analysis help pinpoint environmental changes, while ongoing searches for fossil sites hold promise for revealing unknown species. These red rocks remind us of Earth's dynamic history, ancient seas, tectonic forces, and natural change. With each discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of Colorado's rich geological and biological legacy, showcasing how life here has adapted to a constantly changing planet. So, next time you visit Red Rocks Park or Garden of the Gods, remember, these landscapes are more than just beautiful. They're portals into a world from millions of years ago, holding secrets scientists are only beginning to uncover. Colorado's high desert and sand dunes, surprising landscapes. In southern Colorado, the Great Sand Dunes National Park features some of the tallest sand dunes in North America, rising dramatically against the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. This high desert region presents a surreal landscape that feels worlds away from the Rocky Mountains' alpine environment. The shifting dunes, some over 200 meters tall, are remnants of ancient lakes and rivers that once flowed through the region, depositing sand over millennia. Beyond the dunes, Colorado's desert regions hold clues to ancient civilizations, with petroglyphs, pottery shards, and ruins left by Native American tribes like the Ute and Apache. These artifacts reveal stories of migration, survival, and adaptation in an arid climate. Geological features like nearby volcanic remnants and unique rock formations hint at tectonic shifts and climate changes that shape the land. What other historical and geological secrets could be buried beneath Colorado's vast deserts, waiting to be uncovered? Colorado's Native American heritage. Colorado's history is deeply connected to its Native American heritage, with tribes like the Ute, Arapaho, and Cheyenne shaping its landscapes and traditions. These tribes have a profound connection to the land, honoring its resources and passing down stories that reflect their spiritual relationship with nature. This cultural legacy is still visible in sacred sites, ceremonial grounds, and oral traditions that offer a unique perspective on Colorado's natural wonders. Collaborating with indigenous communities provides a chance to uncover more about Colorado's past and to preserve its natural heritage. What can we learn from the indigenous knowledge and traditions about Colorado's landscapes and ecosystems? Colorado's latest scientific discoveries, a new era of exploration. Colorado has long been a hub for groundbreaking research and exploration, and recent discoveries are expanding our understanding of the region's natural history, geology, and its place in scientific advancements. From unexpected geological finds to NASA's latest missions, let's explore what scientists have uncovered in the Centennial State. Colorado's hidden volcanoes, new insights into ancient volcanic activity. While Colorado isn't known for active volcanoes today, recent geological surveys have revealed new details about ancient volcanic activity beneath the state. In early 2024, a team of geologists identified previously unmapped volcanic rock formations near the San Juan Mountains, suggesting that Colorado experienced intense volcanic eruptions millions of years ago. Using advanced ground-penetrating radar and thermal imaging, scientists were able to reconstruct the layers of lava flows and magma chambers that once existed beneath the surface. This discovery gives researchers valuable insight into the tectonic activity that shaped the western United States and highlights Colorado's connection to larger geological processes. Could these hidden formations provide more clues to past volcanic events across North America? Stay tuned. As geologists believe there may be more ancient volcanic layers waiting to be discovered. The lost riverbeds, fossilized waterways revealed by satellite imaging. Thanks to recent advancements in satellite technology, scientists from NASA and the University of Colorado Boulder have uncovered a network of ancient fossilized riverbeds buried beneath Colorado's plains. Discovered through high-resolution imaging and LiDAR scanning, these ancient waterways date back millions of years to a time when the region was lush with flowing rivers, lakes, and abundant vegetation. This network of ancient rivers offers new clues about how Colorado's climate and ecosystems have evolved over time. Fossils of prehistoric fish and plant life found within these riverbeds help researchers paint a picture of a warmer, wetter Colorado, a stark contrast to its current arid environment. With ongoing satellite imaging, scientists hope to uncover even more hidden features that will further illuminate Colorado's environmental past. NASA's New Mars Simulation Lab in Colorado, NASA, has recently inaugurated a state-of-the-art Mars simulation laboratory in Colorado Springs, where scientists are testing technologies and conducting experiments designed for future Mars missions. This lab is part of NASA's Artemis program, focused on returning humans to the moon as a stepping stone to Mars. The facility's simulated Martian environment includes a climate-controlled chamber that mimics Mars' cold temperatures and thin atmosphere, allowing researchers to test how habitats, tools, and rovers will perform under Martian conditions. The lab also includes a replica of Mars' rocky terrain, complete with Colorado-mined basalt and volcanic rock to simulate the Martian surface accurately. This facility has already yielded promising insights, with researchers testing a new type of rover wheel that can better navigate rocky, uneven surfaces. Colorado's Mars Simulation Lab will be instrumental in preparing for future exploration and could one day help astronauts live and work on the Red Planet. Rare mineral discoveries in Colorado's high Rockies. Geologists exploring the high Rockies near Leadville made an exciting discovery, a new deposit of a rare mineral called rhodarsenite, known for its vibrant color and unique molecular structure. This mineral, found in only a handful of places worldwide, is thought to have formed under intense pressure and specific conditions only present in certain geological regions. The mineral's chemical composition has sparked interest among researchers for its potential use in battery technology and renewable energy applications. Scientists believe that further exploration of Colorado's Rocky Mountain region could lead to additional discoveries of rare minerals, potentially boosting Colorado's role in the renewable energy sector. This find demonstrates that Colorado's mountains are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also rich with untapped resources and scientific opportunities. Seismic Monitoring Project, tracking Colorado's underground activity. With advancements in seismology and ground mapping technology, researchers from the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, recently launched a seismic monitoring project across Colorado. Using an extensive network of sensors placed around known fault lines and geological hotspots, scientists are monitoring even the slightest shifts and tremors in the Earth's crust. This project has already detected subtle tectonic movements and small-scale seismic activity near dormant fault lines, providing valuable data on the state's seismic potential. While Colorado isn't known for frequent earthquakes, this research helps scientists better understand the risk factors involved and how dormant faults in Colorado could be impacted by factors like climate change and human activity. By gaining a clearer picture of the state's underground activity, the USGS aims to improve earthquake preparedness and inform future construction projects. Cutting-edge climate research at the Alpine Institute, Colorado, is also leading the way in climate science, with the newly established Alpine Climate Research Institute in Boulder, focusing on the effects of climate change in high-altitude environments. Researchers at the institute recently released a study highlighting the alarming rate of glacial melt in Colorado's Rockies, attributing it to warming temperatures and declining snowfall. Scientists are using drones, weather stations, and ice-penetrating radar to study how fast the glaciers are melting and what that means for Colorado's water supply. The Institute's data suggests that Colorado's water reservoirs could face significant challenges in the coming decades as these glaciers recede, impacting not only the state's ecology, but also its agriculture and urban water supply. This research is critical for planning Colorado's future in addressing the long-term effects of climate change on water resources. The quest for new fossils in Colorado's Dinosaur Ridge. Dinosaur Ridge, one of Colorado's most famous fossil sites, continues to surprise paleontologists with new finds. Scientists recently made a groundbreaking discovery: a well-preserved set of footprints from an unknown species of dinosaur, dating back over 100 million years. These footprints are unlike any previously found in the area, suggesting that Colorado may have been home to more diverse dinosaur species than previously thought. Researchers are excited to further investigate these tracks and possibly unearth more fossils that could shed light on Colorado's prehistoric ecosystems. The discovery has sparked a renewed interest in Dinosaur Ridge, with paleontologists from around the world joining local teams to search for more clues about Colorado's ancient past. Future discoveries await. As technology advances, Colorado's unexplored regions are becoming more accessible. Drone mapping, satellite imagery, and advanced exploration techniques are helping scientists and adventurers alike to delve into Colorado's untamed wilderness. Who knows what hidden valleys, fossilized treasures, or ancient artifacts might still be waiting in the mountains, deserts, and plains of Colorado? From its alpine meadows and towering peaks to its sand dunes and mysterious caves, Colorado is more than a scenic destination. It's a land brimming with secrets, inviting us to keep exploring and discovering. So, stay curious and join us on our journey through Colorado's remarkable landscapes and hidden histories.